Wagwan beautiful people, you don't know it's Island Boy Africa. Yes today guys. Alright, so I'm here to let you know about my brand new single that's out right now called City of Dogs by Provydah. You guys would wonder Provydah, but your name is Africa. But as of recent time, I've changed my artist name to Provydah for personal reasons, and that name would ring a bell to a lot of people that know me from way back. You see it? So this name is nothing new for the people that would know me. Yeah man, but for my fan base right now, yeah, that's the name I'm gonna work with. Feel free to call me by Africa just the same, and this YouTube channel the name will not be changed. It will always be Island Boy Africa, you know, my personal vlogging channel. So yeah, the single is out right now. It's been a couple days that it's been out, but it's the first I'm announcing it on the YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm hoping to see you guys over there to show me some support, you know, stream it, buy it if you love the music, you see it, and let me know your opinion on this track. Yeah man, and plenty more to come. So yeah man, link will be down in the description, also pin in the comment section. Yeah man, so check it out and let me know. Alright, blessings.